Craig Trempe with ATech and AssetScan. Today I'm going to talk about extending reliability with IIoT with a video on artificial intelligence for setting overall vibration alerts. From our home page in AssetScan, we can go to Views and come down to Help with Vibration Alerts. Here I have a document, it's just one page long to set alerts. Similar to how we set alerts on the ultrasonic, we have a artificial intelligence rules based for setting alerts on overall vibe. In this case we're using the ISO 10816 standard. And for what you notice in this chart, it's a log to log chart. And you notice these flat lines here for 600 to 6,000 RPM. It's telling us that we can use standard alerts, 0.2 inches per second peak for minor, 0.5 inches per second peak for warning, and 1.0 inches per second peak for critical. As the machines go faster than that 6,000 RPM, we decrease the alert limits, looking for a smoother running machine. And for slower running machines, we also reduce the alert levels, looking for, a lot of times these slower machines are larger machines, and there just is not that much energy in there in a slow moving, so we need to lower the alerts to find the problems. So scrolling back up here and catching up a little bit, we're using the low frequency band of 2 Hz to 1000 Hz as defined by ISO 10816 for this measurement. And this measurement of overall vibration, low frequency, is good at indicating late stage faults like imbalance, misalignment, looseness, and late stage bearing problems. To see what we're doing for ultrasonic and looking at the leading indicators of lubrication, early stage bearing faults, and cavitation, check out our video on setting ultrasonic alerts. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at AssetScan.com. Thanks for joining us today.